So I'm running all my lights. I've got living room lights, I've got kitchen lights, hallway lights, front porch lights over there, this door light here. And from this door here, in this switch box, I'm running a 3-way switch for living room lights. And the way I do that is I've got my hot wire right there, and I'm gonna take 3-way wire and I'm gonna run it all the way over here to this switch box here. And then from this switch box here, I'm gonna run my 12-2 wire to my lights. And that's gonna allow the switch in this box and the switch in that box to operate the living room lights so that you can turn on the lights from either door. And I'm also gonna do the exact same thing for our loft right here. I've got a switch box here. I've already got my power run to this box here, and I will run a 3-way wire from this box up to the loft where I'm gonna have my switch box for the loft lights. And that will allow whoever's in the loft sleeping to turn on the lights in the loft here. Once they get upstairs, they can turn the lights off. So, yeah man, hope you learned something new.